Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show how to turn on message reminder notifications on Instagram using your PC, especially with the latest update. If you often miss messages or want a gentle reminder to reply, this setting is exactly what you need. First, open your preferred browser and go to Instagram's website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your home feed, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines there, which is the menu icon. Click on those 3 lines to open the menu. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your account preferences. On the left-hand side, you'll see different sections. Look for Notifications and click on it to continue. Now that you're inside the Notifications section, you'll see several options related to how Instagram alerts you. Go ahead and click on Push Notifications. This is where you control which notifications you receive in real time. Scroll down until you find the section labeled From Profiles I Follow. Under this section, look for Message Reminders. This feature is designed to notify you if you haven't replied to messages after a certain time. Once you find it, simply select the option that enables message reminders.